Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we explore the latest and greatest in home tech. Today, we're checking out the Dreo Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a versatile, high-powered machine designed to make cleaning your home a breeze. With impressive features like 25 kilopascal suction power, a detachable battery offering up to 60 minutes of runtime, and a full set of tools, it promises to be a game changer for tackling dirt, dust, and pet hair. Let's break down exactly what this vacuum offers. First up, it's packing a 550-watt motor and a brushless DC motor that spins at a mind-blowing 115,000 RPM. What does that mean for you? Basically, it delivers strong suction that picks up debris quickly, whether it's on carpets, hard floors, or even embedded pet hair. No more struggling to get the job done on the first pass. This vacuum is designed to tackle tough messes fast. What really stands out here is the auto mode. It automatically detects the type of surface you're cleaning, adjusting the suction power accordingly. Whether you're switching between floors, rugs, or tiles, it knows what to do, so you don't have to manually change settings. This feature makes it super convenient and streamlines the cleaning process, particularly for busy households where different floor types are common. And it doesn't stop at floors. With a variety of attachments, this vacuum can easily handle all the nooks and crannies of your home. Included are a vacuum wand, extension hose, 2-in-1 crevice tool, soft dusting brush, and a hybrid brush, all designed to help you clean from ceiling to floor and even your car interior. It's everything you need to tackle those hard-to-reach areas. Plus, the built-in headlights let you see hidden dust and dirt, even in dimly lit spaces. One of the standout features is its 60-minute runtime. For a cordless vacuum, this is pretty impressive, especially when you consider the strong suction power it maintains throughout. The 3,000 mAh Li-ion battery offers fade-free cleaning, so you don't have to worry about the suction dropping halfway through your clean. And once it's done, the battery is detachable, making it easy to store or swap for a spare. Now, let's talk about how this vacuum actually performs in real-world situations. Setting it up is straightforward, with easy assembly and an intuitive design. The auto mode is a huge plus. It takes the guesswork out of adjusting suction power manually. You'll notice that on hard floors, the suction is smooth and powerful, efficiently picking up dust and debris in just a few strokes. On carpets and rugs, it does a solid job at lifting up deep-seated dirt and pet hair. If you have furry friends, this feature alone could make it worth considering. When it comes to stairs, upholstery, and your car, this vacuum excels. The variety of tools ensures you're ready for whatever surface or angle you need to tackle. The crevice tool is perfect for tight spaces, and the dusting brush helps get into those tricky corners. One of the things I really appreciate about this model is its lightweight design. It doesn't feel clunky or cumbersome when maneuvering around furniture or up and down stairs, making cleaning less of a chore. However, there are a few things to consider. While the battery life is solid, if you're in a larger home or doing a particularly deep clean, you may find yourself needing to recharge before you're done. The battery is long-lasting, but there's only so much power it can provide in one go. And while the suction is strong, you might notice a slight drop in power during those higher speed modes when the battery starts to dip. It's not a deal breaker, but something to keep in mind for heavy-duty tasks. So, let's talk about the build quality. The Dreo Cordless Vacuum Cleaner feels sturdy in your hands with well-made components that don't feel flimsy. The plastic feels solid and the connections for the attachments are secure, ensuring nothing falls apart mid-clean. One area for improvement might be the dust bin. While it's not a major issue, it could use a slightly larger capacity for those who prefer less frequent emptying. That said, it's easy enough to clean and maintain, with straightforward filter replacements and brush roll cleaning that won't take up too much of your time. In terms of value, this vacuum holds up well against competitors. Given its price point, you're getting powerful suction, excellent runtime, and a versatile range of attachments. If you're shopping around in the same price range, you'll find other vacuums that may offer similar suction power or runtime, but not necessarily with the same level of versatility and features like auto mode or the full set of tools for every situation. For families pet owners, and those with multiple surface types to clean, it offers great value for its features. When comparing this vacuum to others in the market, like the Shark IZ362H or the Dyson V8, the Dreo holds its ground. The Shark offers great suction and runtime, but lacks the auto mode feature. And the Dyson, while renowned for its suction, is often heavier and pricier. The Dreo provides a nice balance of power, weight, and versatility, making it a strong contender in its category. In terms of long-term durability, the Dreo Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is built to last. It's not likely to wear out quickly, especially with proper care. The battery is designed to last for several years, and the brushless motor ensures that it stays powerful throughout its lifetime. Maintenance is easy, and with the right care, it should perform well for a long time. I haven't had any direct interactions with Dreo's customer support for this model, but based on the brand's reputation, they typically offer solid after-sales service. Most common issues are covered under warranty, and response times tend to be reasonable. To wrap it up, the Dreo Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is an excellent option for those looking for a versatile, powerful vacuum that can handle all types of surfaces with ease. Whether you're tackling carpets, hard floors, or even cleaning your car, this vacuum delivers strong performance with a solid runtime and useful attachments. It's perfect for small to medium-sized homes, pet owners, or anyone in need of a lightweight, nice, easy-to-use cleaner. If you're still on the fence, go ahead and check the link in the comments box below for more details. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest reviews. Until next time, happy cleaning!